Meanwhile, we live in a country where prisoners receive 3 meals a day, have access to free uniform, and are offered education and rehabilitation programs, while young people go to bed on empty stomachs, wear torn clothes, and are forced to drop out of school because they cannot afford registration fees. We do not say this to dehumanize prisoners, many of whom are victims of the very same system. But we must ask, how can a government feed and clothe those it has arrested, but refuse to feed and educate those it claims to represent? It is a contradiction that speaks to the core of this regime's failure. It invests more in prison maintenance than it does in human development. It builds more jails than schools. It responds to poverty not with opportunity, but with punishment. That is why the EFF calls for the introduction of a permanent unemployment grant in South Africa, a basic income that restores some measures of dignity to the millions who are trapped outside of the economy through no fault of their own.